Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I apologize if the sound is terrible. I forgot my mic in my old place and this is the first YouTube video in the new place. I'm super excited. It's the new house and yeah, I'm very excited to be filming this video, finally getting back to schedule. Today we are going to talk about how to get through this 2023 recession that is coming or is happening, or we don't know what's going on, but something is going on because prices are more expensive and there's definitely a recession either going to happen or is happening right now. So I want to go through a few points with you on how we can get through this together, points that I have already started applying myself or that I will start to apply in the new year and that I'm working on. So let's get right into it. All right, so number one is cut down your expenses. Guys, this is the time to literally go through every single subscription that you are paying for, go through every dollar that's coming out of your bank account and try to cut out unnecessary expenses. You really need to save as much as possible, and I don't mean save to just have that money sitting in a bank account, because let's be honest, inflation is a thing and we've been going through it. So I don't mean save and put it in a bank account. I mean save to invest, because keep in mind that when recessions happen, it's kind of like everything that can make you money is on discount. I watched a video the other day that said this is the time to make disrespectful offers because everybody's in need of cash. Everybody wants cash, so you're able to actually lowball some offers and get things on discount. Just like this house that we got. We actually got this house below market value because we were able to offer lower than what they asked for, and you know, they accepted because I guess they needed the cash, right? So this is the time to have cash so that you're able to invest and then come out of this recession making money. And in order to have cash, number one is you need to cut down on your expenses. So anything that's unnecessary, Starbucks every day is very unnecessary. Try to make coffee at home. Eating out is very unnecessary. Shopping for clothes, it's not the time for that. I'm gonna get into that later. So really take a look at your bank statements. Honestly, we started doing this, me and my husband, every single month. We started this actually a while ago, but we're doing it more intensely now, where we are literally downloading our bank statements in Excel and we're going through every single transaction and remembering what was that transaction. Did we spend too much here? Can we maybe cut down on that in the future? Can we not spend on that in the future? We're really trying to tighten everything so that we're able to have cash to invest in other business ventures. All right, and this takes me to tip number two, which is increase your income. Guys, a 9-to-5 is not enough anymore. Let's be real, right? It's not. Everything is getting so much more expensive. Right now, I think in order to buy a house here in Canada, you need to be making at least $10,000 to $15,000 every single month, and regular 9-to-5 is not enough anymore. Getting paid $5,000 to $6,000 a month is not enough anymore, and it's really hard to achieve 10 to 15 within, you know, your 20s or your 30s in a 9-to-5, because it takes years for you to actually move up to that position, right? So until you do that, if you do love your 9-to-5, until you do that, I really recommend you increase your income by having a side hustle. Now, whatever that side hustle is, whatever, you know, drives your passion the most, if it's freelancing, for example, on Fiverr, or for me, what I love to do is Amazon FBA, and I am actually doubling down on Amazon FBA and launching several new products in this new year, because I only have one product right now and I was focusing on my course. But now that my course and my academy is fully, or not fully, but like almost done, let's say, and I'm able to now allocate more time back into my business, I'm going to be launching my second, my third, and my fourth product. I'm even launching a new business venture where I'm going to test out drop shipping, and don't worry, I will record everything for you and I will post it on YouTube, but I will be testing out drop shipping. So I'm really trying out a lot of new business ventures because I need to increase my income. Even me, I need to increase my income. Whatever you're making, if you're making 10,000, you're gonna realize that that's not enough. If you're making 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, you're gonna realize that that's not enough, because at this point and during 2023, you really do need a lot of cash to be able to come out of this recession making money and profitable. So let's say, for example, I want a lot of cash flow to be able to invest in real estate so that I can buy houses at a lower cost now since the market is down, flip them and be able to sell them at a higher cost. And for me to do that, I need a lot of cash. So that's why now I'm looking to increase my income and start these new business ventures so that I'm able to do that freely later on, hopefully in the new year. All right, so if you guys are interested in starting your own Amazon FBA businesses, I can't speak for the other side hustles, but for Amazon FBA, I am an expert and I have an academy, a program. I actually have 2 courses. So the first one is a starter pack, and I love this new option. And the reason why I launched it is because I know not all of you have the funds right now to go for the full and complete guide. So I wanted to do a lower ticket option. So it's only $237 for you to start to get access to 8 modules. It's basically how to find a product, how to source it, how to send it to the Amazon warehouse, everything you need to start. And then later on, once you are ready, you can then upgrade to the complete FBA 2.0, and that's where you get all of the marketing, the advertising, and how to scale, how to streamline your business. You also get access to the Facebook group, you get access to my monthly live coaching sessions. So that's where you get access to everything. So FBA 1.0 is a starter pack, and FBA 2.0 is the complete FBA guide. So if you guys are interested, I'm gonna have both of these linked below. All right, so number 3 is you need to ground yourself. This is not the time for luxury spending, and I learned this the hard way. And trust me guys, I'm really struggling right now trying to wrap it in with all of the shopping. I love to order things on Amazon. I love to, shop for clothes and go to the mall and just buy things that I definitely do not need, but it's really not the time for that, because as I said, this is a year where it's really cash heavy. Whoever has cash flow is going to win in 2023. Whoever has cash reserved and is able to invest that cash is going to win in 2023. So in order for you to have cash, you need to not buy clothes you don't need, basically, right? So this is the time to cut out those luxury purchases, or don't even cut them out, just delay it. It's not for now, it's later. Create a wish list, create a mood board, not for now. When you do increase your income and you do have the space for that, totally go for it. But 2023 is not the year for luxury, it is the year for investments. And I can really speak to this because we were just in New York, and to be honest, we said we were gonna go there and we were gonna shop and shop till we drop, go to Fifth Avenue, go to Saks, go to Macy's, do all of the fun things. And I wanted to get a luxury bag and I wanted to get a wallet because my wallet actually got stolen. So I said I should definitely replace it. But just being there, to be honest, I felt like it's not right for me to spend $500 on a wallet. It's not right for me to spend $2,000 on a bag right now when I should be taking that money and investing it, because we're going into a really tough time. So I definitely did not end up doing that, and thank God I didn't. I came to my senses, and yeah, now I have plans put in place for me to be able to invest my money in 2023. I realized that this is not the time for luxury, and I'm telling you, it's not the time to buy that bag. It's not. Now, before we go on, I did want to take a second to thank our sponsor for today's video, which is rebate.com. You guys know I love Rebate. I mention them in almost all of my videos. They are one of the best tools to launch your product. You can gather your email list by doing a giveaway. You can do discount campaigns to also gather email lists and build your customer list. And guys, emails are so valuable. Like, you can make way more sales from an email list, a strong email list, than you could from posting on Instagram. And I'm serious. I've seen a case study of this on TikTok of a girl that was selling clips, and she said she made way more money on Black Friday just by emailing her customers. She didn't even post on social media, even though she has a very strong following. So emails are super strong, and Rebate is a great tool for you to be able to build that. So thank you so much, Rebate, for partnering with me on today's video. And you can also launch influencer campaigns on Rebate. Again, this video is all about investments, and when you're paying for marketing for your product, this is an investment because you're able to push it and get it out there and give it that initial push of sales. So rebate is a great tool to help you do that, where you're able to collaborate with macro well-known influencers without actually having to go through an agent. It's very easy, it's very simple and very quick. So thank you so much, Rebate, for partnering with me on today's video. And number 4 is budget. I already talked about this before, but financial clarity is key. You need to know where your money is going. I don't want you to ever be looking at your bank account and saying, oh my God, I have no idea where my paycheck went. If you have no idea, you better be checking and knowing exactly where it went, and then evaluate. Was it worth it? Was it not worth it? Financial clarity is key, guys. You need to know your numbers. Even when it comes to your business, not just your paycheck, when it comes to your business, you need to know, are you actually profitable, or are you just spinning wheels here, spending and putting money back into your business, and you're not able to put anything in your pocket? Now, I know that at the beginning, probably around the first year, you're going to be reinvesting back into your business, but you need to have a plan and you need to have financial clarity to know that, okay, in month 10 or in month 11 or 12, I'm going to be able to put $2,000, $3,000, or even just $1,000 back into my pocket, right? I can't remember which book it was that I read, but it said pay yourself first, and this is very important. Okay, so for you to pay yourself first so that you know that this is worth it, you know that it's working, you are actually putting money back into your wallet, back into your bank account, so you are motivated to then continue to make money and continue to work on this business. So that is it, guys, for today's video. I really hope you found this helpful, and stick around for next week's video. I'm going to start filming these more regularly. I know I have not been posting regularly, but I am getting back into it. I'm finally moved in and settled in, so I'm excited to post more for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.